in your EVS class. So we have already completed up to page 47. Today I'll take few examples. Have you ever seen any seed that can fly in your local area? Yes, we have seen Hiptage and Madar. These all are the seeds which we can see, which are flowing or which can just fly in the air. Okay. Now, what is it called in your area? It is called tulo. Now, next, if we'll see, there are some kind of the seeds which are transferred or which can be dispersed by some kind of animals like squirrel and then birds. They take the seed from the places. If we are eating something and we just throw it away, and then these type of seeds taken by some animals and they take it. Okay, and so by this way we can just disperse the seed. So this is also a way to dispersing of seed. When the soybean pods are ripe, just like the green peas, they also burst, or you can say they also disperse by means of explosion and then think what would happen if seed does not spread. If the seed will not spread, what would happen? Then there will be no trees will not grow well, because if each and every tree need proper soil, proper water, air and sunlight. If any one of them is not present properly, that means seed will not prepare, or seed will not just grow properly. So in absence of these, seed will not if they all will be crowded in a one place, then how they will grow in a proper place and properly? So it is a problem. Next, make a list of the different ways by which we seeds are spread. So you know this is your homework. Now who came from here? As we know, human beings are also responsible for just giving out different kinds of seed from one place to another. When they are traveling in the ancient time, some people are coming from the Europe, some people are coming from the Africa, and they have brought some kinds of seeds in our country, and these kind of seeds we are using right now, and even we don't know which type of fruit and which type of vegetable came from which part of our world. Okay, so there are some riddles it is given here, and we come to know, we bring the seeds of the plants that we find useful and beautiful, we bring it from the abroad. Sometimes a few people who are who love those type of things in their own country, when they travel the long journey, that time they just brought these kinds of seed and sow in our country, and we even now we are getting these kinds of fruits or vegetable. Now did you know this? From South America long ago came a tomato, potato and green chili. So South America, what we have got? South America, so this is South America. What we have got? We have got tomato, potato and chili. Okay, now if we'll see the next, from where the cabbage came, so the Europe is Europe. From the Europe, which things came? This is cabbage, Cabbaage, cabbage. Next one you will see also, and the cabbage came from Europe, and also the pea. So pea is also in this list, pea is there. Now we'll see the next stanza. It is given here, and from Africa came a coffee bean. All we know, then Africa is famous for the coffee. So the Brazilian coffee is very famous. So from where the coffee came? Coffee came from Africa, as well as the green bhindi. So if we'll write the name of Africa, which things came from Africa? From Africa we got coffee and else bhindi. bhindi and coffee beans, these both came from Africa. Now they crossed the land, they crossed the sea. Did you know this? So these all things came from abroad, and we should know that these all things came from abroad and few things from our country. So what are the things which are totally from the India, and we can see these things are from India? That is, it is written here. So a mango sang, come in, and orange smiled inside the skin. So the mango and orange, they both are from our native land, and it is from India. So from India, orange and mango. What else? Next one is banana, methi, spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. So these all also from India. We can write orange, mango, methi, then spinach, brinjal, and radish. So these all food items actually from our country. So now we came to know there are so many things which we are getting from our country, and there are few seeds came from the which came from abroad, or you can see the things which came from abroad are, what are these things? Orange, mango, methi, spinach, brinjal and radish. And these all we are using just like these all are our own native land. They belong to our own native land because we are habituated of eating this type of thing, and we are fond of actually bhindi, coffee, cabbage, tomato. These all things we love most, and these are very lovable things. We just use them. Okay, so that's all for the day, and you will make some more list for whatever the things which came from abroad, and we will discuss in our class. Okay, what came from our country and what came from the other side of the country, or you can say from abroad and from the foreign countries. So that's all for the day, and in next day I will take your next chapter. Okay, so that's all for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.